Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best HomeKit Light Strip is probably one of the most versatile smart home gadgets you can own. These flexible light strips effortlessly transform any space, adding a touch of color and personality. With seamless integration into your Apple HomeKit ecosystem, you can control the lighting with simple voice commands or through the Home app, creating the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Number 5. Tapo TP-Link L930-5 Smart LED Light Strip. This Tapo LED light strip delivers 1000 lumens of bright white light. It also offers 16 million colors, providing a dynamic and immersive lighting experience. The L930-5 is 20% brighter and lasts 50% longer than other LED strips. This ensures a longer lifespan and superior lighting performance. With 50 color zones, you can customize the light with animated effects. You can create effects like raindrops or rainbows to enhance any ambience. It works seamlessly with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. You can easily control it hands-free and schedule lighting changes. Use the Tapo app to sync the light strip to your music. This feature allows you to create a synchronized lighting experience that complements your favorite tunes. What we like. This light strip offers incredibly bright white light, perfect for illuminating any space. With 50 color zones, it creates dynamic and animated lighting effects. If you're looking to create a party atmosphere or enhance your entertainment setup, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. These are HomeKit compatible out of the box. They have separate white LEDs and separate color LEDs, so color rendition is exceptional. The clear flexible plastic covering sets it apart from the average LED strip, and the electrical connection power supply give off very decent vibes for something that cost under 30 US buckaroos. Number 4. Meross Smart LED Strip Lights, Apple HomeKit. This smart LED strip works seamlessly with Apple HomeKit. You can easily control it using Siri voice commands or the Meross app. For remote control, you'll need an Apple TV or HomePod. The strip is compatible with Apple HomeKit, Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings. Control it with simple voice commands. You can also use the Meross or Home app to turn it on/off, adjust brightness, and change colors. The Meross Smart Strip lights feature 300 LED beads, providing bright and vibrant colors. It's perfect for your bedroom, kitchen, or even holiday parties. Remember, it's designed for indoor use and is not waterproof. Easily integrate the strip into your daily routine. Use features like sunrise and sunset to have it brighten when you wake up and dim as you fall asleep. Even if your home network loses internet connection, you can still control the Meross light strip locally through the Meross app. Scheduled routines will continue to function, ensuring consistent performance. What we like. This light strip works seamlessly with Apple HomeKit, allowing for easy control via Siri. It also offers offline control, ensuring your lights work even without internet. If you value convenience and reliability, especially with automated schedules, this is a great choice for you. What people say. At 32.8 feet, it offers enough length to line the back of a TV, under cabinets, or around the perimeter of a room without needing extensions. Setup was smooth using Apple HomeKit. Color control is extensive, with a wide range of RGB shades and both warm and cool whites. Number 3. Meross Smart LED Strip Lights, 32.8 feet. This smart LED strip works with Apple HomeKit, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. You can easily manage it via voice control or your smartphone. It's compatible with iOS and Android devices. The strip lights are DIY cuttable, allowing you to customize the length for your space. You can use it to decorate your home for various occasions, like holidays and parties. Control the lights hands-free with Siri. It works seamlessly with Apple HomeKit, Apple Watch, and CarPlay. For remote control, you'll need an Apple TV or HomePod. The light effect feature lets you create custom color changing effects. Easily transform your room to match your mood or activity with this. Set various RGB colors to create the perfect atmosphere for festivals or parties. Please note, it does not support color temperature and is designed for indoor use. What we like. This light strip is DIY cuttable, allowing you to customize the length to fit any space. With the DIY light effect, you can create your own colors changing effects. If you like to personalize your lighting and have specific design needs, you should consider this. What people say. At 32.8 feet, it offers enough length to line the back of a TV, under cabinets, or around the perimeter of a room without needing extensions. Setup was smooth using Apple HomeKit. Color control is extensive, with a wide range of RGB shades and both warm and cool whites. Number 2. Philips Hue Light Strip Starter Kit. This is the Philips Hue Light Strip. It's designed to transform your entertainment experience. You can sync it with your PC for dynamic lighting effects. With the Hue Sync software, you can wirelessly sync the light strip to your music. Set up the lights and connect to your hub. Enjoy a visual symphony that complements your favorite tunes. These smart light strips are Bluetooth enabled for easy connection. You can control up to 50 smart lights on one Hue hub. It's a hassle-free way to enhance your home lighting. Install the flexible light strip under bars, bed frames, or cabinets. Use the included adhesive tape and cut marks to customize the length. Extend it up to 32 feet per base kit. The Philips Hue Light Strip is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Control it with your voice. It's a smart and convenient way to manage your lighting. What we like. This light strip can sync with your PC, creating an immersive lighting experience for gaming or entertainment. It also streamlines music to your lights. If you're a PC gamer or music enthusiast looking to enhance your setup, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I love how I can set times to come on, choose colors and set brightness. The app, it's amazing, many options of lights and you can create your own setup. Love the ease of ISE and smart device integration of the Hue lights. Number 1. Philips Hue 6-foot Smart LED Light Strip. Inside the box, you'll find a 6-foot light strip base kit with a plug. This is perfect for adding mood lighting to any room in your home, from the bedroom to the living room. It's easy to set up and ready to transform your space. For the ultimate smart lighting experience, add a Hue bridge. This allows for automations and control from anywhere. It also provides a secure and stable connection. You can even use Matter to connect your other smart home devices. This light strip offers a seamless blend of multicolor light. The silicone sleeve diffuses the light beautifully, creating the perfect ambience for any mood. There are no harsh reflections, just pure, vibrant color. Enjoy convenient smart control with voice commands. Set up voice control in the Hue app and use Alexa or Google Assistant to control your lights. It's simple and intuitive. Attach the light strip to cabinets, behind furniture, or anywhere you like. The included mounts make it easy to bend around corners. You can also extend it up to 33 feet with extensions, sold separately. Create the ultimate mood lighting with dynamic light effects. Customize the brightness and color in the app. It allows you to create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. What we like. This light strip offers millions of colors to create the perfect ambience. It is also easy to set up and control via voice commands. If you want a simple yet powerful lighting solution with a wide range of colors, you should consider this. What people say. This light strip is bright. It's bright enough that if your wall is white, it can easily light up an entire room if you're not careful. The strip is awesome. Have not tested the adhesive yet, but the light is awesome. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.